Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's like 38 degrees right now, and then it's got a light rain. It's about 9:30, just about, and the ground's getting wetter. The gravel here is sinking, where you can see mud coming up. That's not good. So we'll have to add more gravel on top of this gravel, like we did the front driveway. That's many layers, but normally it's not this wet, this long. We have our rain, and it dries out shortly, or the ground freezes. But this year it's really been soft. Lots of moisture. Lisa's making homemade bread. Here I'm tiptoeing through the mud, trying not to get my boots all muddy. Watch my step. You hear the pigs all throwing a fit. Sounds like a duck throwing a fit too. Alright, hang on, Penelope. I'll get you some hay. Well, smart ones are over eating alfalfa. Got one standing over here waiting for grain, I guess. Well, I better get in there to see Harold. He's really making a lot of noise. Hi, Harold. Hang on. Why are you so noisy? Harold, hang on. There's things. You need some water too. I see that. Isn't that good? You pour it out again. Yep, they're waiting too. Well, everybody's got hay now. This one's wearing it. Nothing like the smell of alfalfa. What are you looking for? Says, where's my grain? Show a little pig. See, this pig could be yours. Give me a message if you want them. Make a trade for something. Okay, everybody's been fed. Alfalfa and grain for the pigs. The chickens got their chicken feed and their corn. Now I go walk back up there and turn the water on, since Harold wants to dump his water every day. Happy little pigs. Yep, these little pigs here need a new home. Got too many mouths to feed. Okay, my wife's not going to be happy about this. This Doodle is muddy. This is what I have to deal with. She likes water, she likes the mud, and she likes the snow. Too much energy. She's running through the mud. I'm trying to walk around the mud. Well, everybody's happy down here, so chores are done for the day. Everybody's got water and food. So I appreciate you watching. Have a great evening.